You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this syndrome. For more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. We're going to look at how to pronounce more of them. It's named after a French physician. Leriche is how you say his name in French. Leriche. So in English, the name is said as Leriche. Leriche. Now, if you talk about the syndrome, it is a Leriche syndrome or Leriche's syndrome, as it's written on your screen. If you've got the apostrophe S, Leriche's syndrome or Leriche syndrome. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.